everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a maple fudge. This is kind of a freezer fudge, so it's really easy to put together. You make it firm in the freezer and you can cut it and eat it right out of the freezer, or you can keep it in the fridge for several days as well. This will stay good in the freezer for several months, like 4 months. If you can not eat it all before then. And in the fridge, you don't want to keep it in the fridge for more than a week or so, just because it is perishable. So you can either cut it and put it in the freezer, or you can leave it in a solid chunk and just cut it as you want it. So there's enough fat in it that you can do that even when it's directly out of the freezer. All right, everyone, without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Hi everybody, we are back with a taste test of the maple fudge. I'll just show you kind of what it looks like up close here first, like I usually do. So you can cut this into fun shapes if you've got a maple cookie cutter or other shapes that you want to do. It cuts really nice, and you can make it thinner or thicker, whatever you want. So this was just sort of the normal fudge size. Asher and I are going to try it. Let's give it a go, Ash. See if you like it. What do you think? Pretty good. You have to say it loud enough so they can hear it. Sorry.
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Is it I like that. Is it 1 or 2 or in the middle?
I feel kinda like in the middle.
You gotta speak up so they
I
can
feel
hear.
kinda like in the middle.
You feel in the middle, so it's not your favorite?
Yeah, I feel like like it may need some more salt or something, so.
Well, let's get some and try.
Alright.
I kind of wondered that myself, if it would be good with a little salt, like a salted caramel, almost. It does have kind of a caramely flavor to me, like a maple caramely flavor. What do you think? Oh, is that? Okay. Oh, that does make a difference. Well, it's good. Now what is it? Still in the middle?
2.
Oh, a 2 thumbs up. Little salt goes a long way. Okay. Actually, the salt really does make it good, doesn't it? Okay. Well, everyone, in the pictures and in the recipe, I'll add a little salt to it so that you guys can also have a 2 thumbs up. This is really tasty. We're going to enjoy this. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.